Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Gotta do this real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? Like a lollipop.
Yeah.
Shorty want a thug, but she really don't want a thug, man. She's so confused, so bruised up. Her last man abused her on the block, so she approached me cautiously, cause she knows the rules to the game. She's sitting in the act, man. She telling me so many things. So we head off to the bar. Few drinks later, all I know we up in Cromwell. She kissing me, and then the stupid ass nigga asking like he wanted theirs too. And I'm like, nah, homeboy, yeah. So we head back to the car, man. She got my hands on the tools, man. I'm like, damn, I'm switching gears. I'm in third, now I'm switching fourth. Her head going down on me. I'm like, yeah, homegirl, you know that your man can't do it like me. And she telling me freak her. So before I can hit the fifth gear, she jumping on my lap and she going up and down, man. I'm doing about 120. I'm not worried about the boys trying to catch me, homeboy. So I keep stroking, homeboy. I keep going. Next thing I know, we doing a $140, man. I'm just flying, man. Feels like I'm in an airplane, like I'm in a G4, cause I'm flying, mind racing. I know they about to get me, man, but I gotta keep going till I bust one, bust two, bust three, bust four, bust five, and then I'm gone, girl. Yeah, so she hop off, I had to slow it down. I know she like them slow jams, so we hop on the yacht looking all fine. So I grab her from the back and start stroking it in the daylight, like, wow, man, look at the sky, got the moon shining down. I hear the water going, hear her voice moaning. I keep going, telling me she wants me to be a man, but girl, you already got a man. So what you looking at me crazy like that for, girl? Cause you already know, girl, I can't be your man, man, but I could be your freak just one time. So I tell her she had to bounce, get out my house, get out my car, girl, give me a call on the two-way. You could chirp me on that mobile phone, yeah. Shorty wanna bottles in the club. Shorty be acting up, I don't even know why she acting up. Yeah. Call me when you freaking girl. Call me when you shaking, girl.